everybody. We will be doing our research on a famous person in law today. We will start. Today will be research, and tomorrow, if necessary. Your task will be to make a 3-slide Google or PowerPoint presentation over the central person of your research and your search. You'll need pictures, accurate information about the person, and the important events in their professional life. So we're focusing on the person, and that is on the right side of the law, not the criminal. You can include them, though. And then you'll be focusing most of your research on those men and women who risked and dedicated their lives to stomp out injustice. So, where to start? There will be here's some Google searches to kind of help guide you. Okay, famous lawmen of the Wild West, famous lawyers, famous court cases, famous policemen, judges, famous unsolved crimes that were solved, famous CIA, FBI agents, spies, famous emergency response teams, or famous judges. Okay, and then after that, these 5 questions are just to help you guide. You must answer these, but you can kind of change how you want to structure your research. Like if you find somebody and there's a very interesting story about how they solved the crimes, well, please include that. It's pretty simple. I'm going to have it, we'll probably work on it Monday as well, but Monday will probably be the last day. Just stay tuned for that. But again, it just needs to be something simple. It's not too tough, but a 3-slide Google or PowerPoint, it can be more. And you'll just include a lot of this information, like who were they, how'd they get into that profession, so a little background about that person, and give examples of why they were famous. So that's probably going to relate to some of the cases or things they were involved with. And then what are they most known for? They're probably known for 1 or 2 big events if they are famous, And then what's the legacy of their work after, now that they are, what made them famous? What has been the legacy? What has been the lasting impact on whatever field they're in? So this is what we're going to work on today. We're going to go to the computer lab and work on this. So give me a minute to get up there and set up the Zoom. But if you have any questions, just let me know.